full moon and fireworks. It's supposed to be illegal. Doesn't stop anybody. Lee's barking at the fireworks. I think people are really inconsiderate about popping fireworks. They don't care about if it traumatizes anyone. There was a policeman in the median. Hopefully he was going to track down some people that were popping firecrackers. As I was saying, I don't think people understand how it can traumatize veterans, older people, and pets in a neighborhood that's normally quiet and people live so close together. Now that it's illegal, people should respect the law, but they find a way to justify it. I think it's immature. They could find an event for fireworks, or they can get together and go to somebody's house that lives outside of the city limits. I mean, these things that go off around here sound like cannons. They shake your house. And that shouldn't be like that. I totally changed my mind when a man on my street, that's loud, heard bottle rockets, and he fell to the ground, put his hands over his ears, got in a fetal position, and started screaming. He had a flashback. And since then, I'm totally on his side. No fireworks in the city. I think the penalty should be stiff, because it's not like you accidentally break the law where you didn't know you were speeding, or you didn't know you were in the wrong lane or whatever. You know that it's against the law, and you make a decision to do it anyway. Should be a very heavy fine. I just felt that I needed to cut in right here because there was a lot of wind out there. But here's a question for you. What if fireworks caused your grandmother or your grandfather to have a flashback, possibly a heart attack, or at the least a lot of stress? Would you still go outside, right outside the window, and pop fireworks? It's a no-brainer for me. Be considerate. There's a place for fireworks, and it's not in a quiet neighborhood where you don't know who you are affecting. My neighbor's doing it. You know, I can take it, but I guess I'm disappointed that adults choose to do it and don't think about anyone else. I can't get past that.